On average, 7 people die every day from house fires. That's according to the Red Cross, and now the organization is trying to change that statistic with a simple solution. Our Keely Arthur joins us from the newsroom with a program that's already taken off here in Wisconsin, right, Keely?
That's right, Leah. Smoke alarms sometimes are the difference between life and death. Having them properly installed cuts the risk of dying in a fire by half. So the Red Cross is getting to work. In just 2 years, they've installed 4,000 smoke alarms in Wisconsin, recently helping out this Madison family. With 6-week-old baby Baxter and toddler Ogden, Cindy Watson is doing what most new moms do: worry.
With my toddler, he's always trying to find new ways to hurt himself.
So when baby-proofing the house this time around, she wanted to get the big stuff out of the way first.
Fire detectors, smoke alarms are another thing that came up in my mind that I needed to get on top of.
After some searching, Cindy discovered the American Red Cross's Home Fire campaign.
They're 10-year lithium batteries,
which is dedicated to reducing the number of fire deaths and injuries by 25% in 5 years through installing smoke detectors.
If you have a fire in your house, you have less than 2 minutes to get out. And most of the time, people get overcome by smoke. And with a smoke alarm, it helps save lives.
At no cost, 3 additional smoke alarms were brought in.
And we do 1 per floor, and then in each bedroom.
Within a few hours, Cindy's home was up to code.
This is an easy way to keep him from getting hurt.
Giving her less time to worry and more time to focus on the little ones.
It's easier sleeping at night knowing that we have just another thing in place to keep us safe. In addition to making individual house calls, the Red Cross works with local fire departments and canvasses neighborhoods where they are needed the most. After that, they'll work on a fire escape plan with you. If you want free smoke alarms installed, you can just go to getasmokealarm.com.
All right, our Keely Arthur reporting in the newsroom tonight. Thanks, Keely.